Hi, I'm Katie Johansson with KILJ Radio. Here in Mount Pleasant and in Henry County, Iowa, we have unique, growing, successful manufacturers. One even dates back 120 years. But don't let our history fool you. We have cutting-edge technology and amazing places to work. And who better to show us around than the young minds who will one day be the leaders in these companies. So sit back, relax, and enjoy learning about the unique manufacturing right here in Henry County, Iowa.
Hi, I'm Brian Bender, and this is my friend Lucia, and we're going to show you Lamont molding.
We just finished our tour of Lamont Molding. We have our tour guides with us, Lou and Briar. What did you guys think?
It was cool. Yeah, it was really cool.
So what types of things did you see in the plant? Robots?
Molding machines.
So what do you think was your favorite part during the tour? Or something new that you learned?
That the plastic pellets go to the ceiling through pipes. Yes.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, if your Major League Baseball career doesn't work out or you decide not to become a teacher, could you see yourself working here where your grandpa and your dad built this business?
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
What do you think you'd do here?
Be the owner.
Be the owner. All right. Well, there you go. We got the next owner of Lamont Molding right here at Lamont Molding.
No, I Hi, my name is Max Slope, and this is my brother Mason, and this is my sister Isabella. And we're going to take you through the Walmart distribution center.
All right, so we're back from our tour at Walmart Distribution Center. What'd you guys think?
It was awesome.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Probably seeing the boxes like moving around on the conveyor belts.
Yeah.
On the conveyor belts.
Yeah, I like the shrink wrap machine.
Yeah.
So, what do you guys want to do when you grow up? Max, we'll start with you.
I don't really know.
You don't know?
Or if I don't have any other plans, then
Gonna work here. All right.
Professional sports player.
Sports player. All right.
Maybe an artist.
All right. So if playing sports doesn't work out, being an artist doesn't work out, could you guys see yourselves working here at Walmart Distribution?
Yeah.
What do you think you'd do here?
Drive one of the machines.
Yeah, those would be really fun.
whatever the boss tells me to do.
I'm the boss. I can tell you what to do.
There you have it. Isabella's going to be the boss of Walmart Distribution when she grows up. Thanks, guys.
My name is Keegan Heaton. This is my sister, Kaya, and my cousin, Ellie.
And we're going to take you through stats.
What's your favorite color? There's too many to choose from, isn't there? What's your favorite one? I like the ultimate. Well, that one is cool. Oh, I like the rainbow one too. Look at that, that's fun.
That was mine.
What do you think? Oh, awesome.
There's your participation. Nice. What does it say?
Awesome.
Can you show it to us? Look at you. You got a haul. Can you show the camera? Show the camera with you. There you go.
All right, so we are back from our tour at Stax here in Mount Pleasant. What'd you guys think?
Great.
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, what was your favorite part?
When they make like the metal pieces and then they print them on.
Right, they have to put them backwards to get them to print the right. That is kind of cool.
I liked it when they did the electric sewing.
The laser sewing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was cool.
I was probably when they were just cutting it. Like it went, like it came out and then like it cut, like. It
Yeah,
cut
the machine that just cut it kind of automatically
Yeah.
and moved it. Yeah, that was cool. So, what do they do here at Stax? What did you learn that they do?
They make ribbons, trophies, and a lot of cool stuff.
A lot of cool stuff. You heard it here, folks. A lot of cool stuff. So, what do you want to be when you grow up? We'll start with you and we'll just go down the line.
The person who builds, does the printing.
Oh, you want to work here at Stax? All right, awesome.
I want to be a park ranger.
Park ranger?
Astronaut.
Awesome. Well, if we don't go into the park ranger field and we don't become an astronaut, are we going to work here with Keegan at Stax? Yeah?
I'm Ella McNamee and this is Aiden Blunt. We're going to take you through Hearth and Home technology. Let's go.
So we are back from our tour of Hearth and Home Technologies. What'd you guys think? That is not expected. So you have a personal connection to, both of you do, to the Hearth and Home. What's that?
My mom works here.
Yeah, how long has she worked here?
I'm not sure.
How about you?
So I've heard she's been here about 23, 24, 25 years.
Awesome, 23 years, wow. So, now that you've been through the plant and you've seen what they do here, tell us a little bit about what you might have learned. Aiden, you were asking a ton of questions. What'd you learn?
I learned how many workers they have here.
How many's that?
Over 400.
Wow. What else?
How many machines they have.
How many's that?
Bunch.
Yeah.
So what was your favorite thing that you saw on the tour?
I think the
welder.
bricks. I think the
Welder.
bricks and the welder were pretty cool.
The welder, the bricks, yeah, the bricks are cool. I love the forklift. Okay, cool. Well, could you see yourself working here at Hearth and Home?
Love it.
Yeah, what do you think you would do here?
Weld.
Weld? That's a good job. What about you?
Sitting.
Sitting?
Hi, my name is Sadie and this is my sister Molly. And we're going to take you through MD Orthopaedics.
so we are back from our tour of MD Orthopaedics. What did you guys think?
It was pretty neat. It was cool.
Yeah? What was your favorite part of the tour?
I like the mold of the rubber.
The rubber piece into the
Yeah.
shoe? Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought, I really liked the different colors that of leather that the shoes could have. So we learned all about what MD Orthopaedics does, but what do you guys want to do when you grow up?
I don't know.
Yeah? What about you, Sadie?
I either want to be a lawyer, which he disagrees on completely, or I want to be in the military unit.
Awesome. Military or a lawyer. So you don't have any clue what you want to do. Let's say those fields don't work out. Could you guys see yourself working at MD Orthopaedics?
No.
No. Okay. This way, over. She actually taught me how to do it.
Well, you're not exactly.
I don't look as good as you. Don't look as good. Come on. Good job, guys.
Hey. Cool.
Yeah, you should teach them that.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that was the whole.
The
How old
electric
are
slide.
we? Hey, now Isabella, you said you wanted to run the facility, right? Can you get on the phone and call your dad's store and tell them to unload their truck? We need the trailer. Go ahead, pick it up. Call your dad. Tell your dad unload the truck.
Daddy,
Yeah.
unload the truck now.
Aye, boss.
Or else overfire. Or else. You didn't do it right. You're supposed to say
Say don't hit me.
We're flossing.
What do you think Mom does every day?
Talks about numbers. This is easy. She goes out there half the time. That's what I know. I mean, she probably sits here and types a lot. That's what I've seen at home. Talks, types, walks.
Can you do a good imitation of her?
No.
No impressions? Really?
That one.
You didn't do your homework. What's Mom say?
Richard Arlo.
What did you say?